Hello guys, BIM here, and in this tutorial we will learn about the status bar. Now where is the status bar? You will see a bar showing over here. Click on wall to place window and space bar to click the instance. Now hit couple of times. Now you can see that it's showing something else. I was selecting the window command. If you select the window command again, it will show some of the instructions regarding the window command. This status bar shows the status of the command that you are currently in at the present time. Now present time, you click on the wall to place window. So it's showing you the directions to what to do next. Or if I go to the architecture tab and select a door, now it is showing you to click on the wall to place a door. That is the status of the door command right now. So it also guides us to what to do now or what to do in some future coming project. Now hit escape a couple of times and you will see that it's showing some of the guidelines here. The guidelines is showing it as click to select, that if you click on some of the things you will select it, and tab for alternates. If this thing shows that, I'll show it right now, that if you want to select some of the things here, if you want to select the wall or some of the mullion here, if you drag your cursor here and press the tab key, like the status bar showing you tab for alternates. If you hit the tab key, now you can say that the selection of some things are changing. Now you are able to select between these things, and it is the tab key is toggling between the things that you can or you are able to select. Now control key adds. Control add means you can add or select some of the multiple things by hitting the control key. Now you can see that cursor has a plus sign over here. Now you can click on this wall and also click on this wall. Now I am selecting these two walls at the same time. Now if you see that, it also saying that shift unselects. So if you select some of the things, that if you select these things, now the two walls are or two parts of the mullions or the curtain walls are under the selection of my cursor. If you press the shift key, you can see that the minus sign is showing over here. So if you click on this wall, now it unselects it, and now I am selecting only one panel. So this is all about the status bar. If you want to check some other commands, you can also check some other commands like wall. Now it's saying click to enter wall start point. If you will click and you will enter the wall start point, space flips orientation. If you flip the space, it will flip the wall around your selection. Horizontal enter wall endpoint, space flip orientations. So we learned that the status bar shows us or give us direction or guidelines about what is the position or status of the command that we are selecting at the present time. So that's all about the status bar. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.